Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you an enchilada recipe. For this recipe, you'll need a 2-ounce bag of New Mexico mild peppers. You're going to cut off the top and add them to a blender, along with 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of minced red onions, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a half a tablet of chicken flavored bouillon, and 1 cup of water. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. After you're done blending, you're going to strain the mixture. I ended up adding 1 cup of water to help with the process. You're going to dip your homemade corn tortillas in the red sauce and then fry them. The link to my homemade tortilla will be found in the description box. You're going to fry the tortillas for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side on high heat. Place your tortillas on a dish. At this point, you can add whatever ingredients you want as a filling. Today I chose to use Fresco, which is a semi-soft crumbling Mexican cheese.